Welcome to Davidson Day. I'm Trent Brown, the Director of Admission and Financial Aid. I appreciate the opportunity to give you a virtual tour of our lower school program, which houses our kindergartners through 4th grade. At 8:15 a.m., all the lower school students will gather in the Commons for their morning meeting. In this meeting, they'll cover general announcements as well as calendar events. They'll also take the time to celebrate the positive traits we see in our students. At the conclusion of morning meeting every day, they'll recite the Pledge of Allegiance as well as the lower school honor code before they move off to their classrooms. At the heart of delivering our lower school curriculum are our small class sizes and meaningful connections between student and teacher. We have 2 sections of every grade at our Davidson Day Lower School that typically cap out around 18 students. These small class sizes allow our teachers to connect with your students on an individual level, as well as small groups, and as well as bigger collaborations or project type learning. It allows our teachers to get to know your student, to find the appropriate level of challenge, and add depth to the material that we are covering. It allows us to build the foundation of reading, writing, and arithmetic. We have found that physical activity is critical to their development, and that's why every day will include recess where they can go outside and be kids, as well as PE allows them to get stamina, build confidence, and be more focused during their day. They will go to our World Language Lab where they will receive training in both Spanish and French, art class, as well as music class. The lower school students really enjoy doing experiments in the STEM lab, going to the outdoor classroom, and working on unique projects. There are a number of lower school services, such as a full-time school nurse, as well as a full-time school counselor, to work with any social and emotional needs your student may have. We also have what's called the Learning Enrichment Center, which provides services and access to things such as occupational therapy or speech pathologists. A Davidson Day lower school student is very much a part of the early childhood through 12th grade community. There are certain events that give them connection points to the entire school. One tradition we have is called Patriot Pals. It acts a lot like a big brother or big sister system. Traditionally, 6 to 8 times a year, we will bring our big kids downstairs and they'll do crafts or activities and connect with our older students. When you come to Davidson Day sporting events, you'll see the younger kids cheering on the bigger kids. When we have activities such as pep rallies, the lower school students are there, full of school spirit and cheering as loud as they can. They also participate in field trips, musical theater club, after-school activities, and yearly traditions such as Night at the Museum and our annual art show. Thank you for taking the time to watch our lower school virtual tour. As you can see, it's a very busy place with wonderful opportunities for your young child. Next steps would be for us to connect personally. Please take me up on the offer to call me on my cell phone or connect online with the goal of getting to know your family and helping you discover why Davidson Day education would be the best fit for your student. Thank you.